Have you tried everything to lose weight but feel like nothing works? You put in the effort, cut calories, make healthy choices, but the scale doesn't budge? The truth is, many small eating mistakes could be sabotaging your progress, and most people don't even realize it. These are habits that seem harmless but actually slow down your metabolism, increase cravings, and make weight loss harder than it should be. In today's video, I'll show you the biggest eating mistakes that are stopping you from losing weight, and of course, how to fix them easily. So, if you want to finally see results, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because these tips will transform your weight loss journey. Mistake number 1, skipping meals to eat less. A lot of people think that eating less automatically means losing more weight, but the truth is, skipping meals can have the opposite effect. When you go too many hours without eating, your body switches to survival mode and slows down your metabolism to conserve energy. This means you burn fewer calories throughout the day and may feel sluggish or tired. Why does this happen? Your body is designed to protect itself from starvation. When you skip meals, your brain sends signals to slow down calorie burning. Instead of losing weight, your body starts storing fat as an emergency energy reserve. And here's the worst part. By the time you finally eat, you're so hungry that you overeat. And usually, it's not healthy food. When you're starving, your body craves quick energy, which often means high sugar and high carb foods that lead to weight gain. The solution? Instead of skipping meals, focus on eating the right foods to keep you satisfied. Protein-rich foods, chicken, tofu, eggs, Greek yogurt, high fiber foods, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil. Pro tip: eating small, balanced meals every 3-4 hours keeps your metabolism active and prevents hunger-driven binges later in the day. Mistake number 2, trusting fit or zero products. Another common mistake is thinking that foods labeled as fit, zero sugar, or diet are automatically healthy. Many of these products are highly processed and contain artificial sweeteners, excess sodium, or unhealthy fats that can actually increase hunger and slow metabolism. Did you know? Many low-fat or zero-sugar products have extra ingredients to improve taste, like artificial sweeteners, which trick your brain into craving more sugar, extra sodium, which can lead to bloating and water retention, preservatives and additives, which may cause digestive discomfort. What should you do instead? Check labels carefully. Avoid products with long ingredient lists. Stick to whole foods, fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins. Make smarter swaps. For example, replace flavored yogurt with unsweetened Greek yogurt and add honey for natural sweetness. Better choices: instead of store-bought fruit juices, eat whole fruits to get fiber and natural nutrients. Mistake number 3, not eating enough protein. Do you feel hungry shortly after eating? That could be a sign that your diet is low in protein. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's essential for weight loss because it keeps you full longer, reducing cravings, boosts metabolism, helping you burn more calories, prevents muscle loss, so your body burns fat, not muscle. Why does protein help weight loss? When you eat protein, your body uses more energy to digest it, meaning you burn more calories compared to carbs or fats. How to fix it? Add a protein source to every meal. Eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, cottage cheese, or lentils. Include high-protein snacks like nuts, Greek yogurt, or boiled eggs. Try this. If you struggle to eat enough protein, consider protein shakes as an easy way to supplement your intake. Mistake number 4, eating too fast. If you eat too fast, your brain doesn't have time to recognize that you're full. This means you eat more than you actually need without even noticing. Your brain takes about 20 minutes to send the signal that you're full. But if you finish your meal in 5 minutes, you might still feel hungry and end up overeating. The solution? Chew slowly and enjoy your food. Put your fork down between bites. This helps pace your meal. Avoid distractions like TV or scrolling your phone while eating. Try this. Use smaller plates. This tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more. Mistake number 5, not drinking enough water. Did you know that thirst can easily be mistaken for hunger? Many times when we think we're hungry, our body is actually asking for water. Why does water help with weight loss? Boosts metabolism. Drinking water before meals can help you burn more calories, reduces bloating. Dehydration makes you retain fluids, prevents overeating. Sometimes your brain confuses thirst with hunger. What to do? Carry a water bottle with you at all times. Drink a glass of water before meals. This helps control portion sizes. Pro tip: add lemon, cucumber, or mint to your water for extra flavor. Now you know. Sometimes the problem isn't how much you eat, but the small habits that sabotage your weight loss. Which of these mistakes have you made? And which one will you start fixing today? Comment below. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful weight loss tips. Your weight loss journey starts with small, smart changes, and I'm here to help. See you in the next video.